Oh my God, guys, my dad said we're going camping today. I can't wait.
See you later, suckers.
Hey guys, guess what? We're going camping today.
Yeah, I know that, Junior.
Bro, it's gonna be awesome.
Yes, I know. Awesomeness. Hey, where the frick are the s'mores?
Hey, what, Wendy, you're here?
Yeah. Oh, now y'all play some pretty fun games, okay? So the last time somebody, all the kids were here, they all buried each other. So don't bury each other, kids.
Okay, we won't bury ourselves.
We're totally gonna do it. You shouldn't do this, Junior.
I have a fun game we can play.
Can we go home? Dude, oh crap, Mario! He's a man. He's a chef that could actually survive the wild. Welcome with the chef in the wild. All right then. So we need to build shelter. This will never work. We need to find a good place for shelter. Okay, we're back here again. Remember, kids, if you want to be a survival expert like me, you gotta do things. Don't be boring. Ready? Now let's... Whoa! That's pretty cool. Okay. So, down here in the wild. That's where we're going, the wild. Whoa. It's a Christmas tree. Merry freaking Christmas to me. Oh, I bet I could find some good presents under here. Any present? Well, that's what I call freaking ripoff. It's a Christmas tree without presents under it. Yeah. God, it tastes awful. Oh, God. I got that taste off. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna... Now we need to... Now we're gonna break this. Oh, God, I suck at survival. Wood, the best source of food. Okay. Wood doesn't taste good. Yeah. That's how you cook people.
I'm gonna kick it. Ha, just bury y'all. Guys, gonna do now. I gotta walk down here slowly.
Hey kid. You wanna buy this Christmas tree?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't want
it. But it's a really nice Christmas tree.
So?
Do you know where the heck I am? Do you know where we are?
No.
You don't? But don't you live right there?
No. What are you?
Oh, jeez.
Okay, I think you're drunk, so let me just get out of here. Oh, jeez.
Hi. So, I think I just teleported, or I might be so drunk. that I can't tell if I'm teleported. Because I don't know, I've been having like a hangover like 10 years now. So I started off in Miami. Funny story. I started out in Miami, and so kid, I'm gonna whack you. Oh, that's for me messing with my property. Yeah. Get out of here. Oh, that's a nice ball. I guess steal. Oh, hell yeah.
I'm never doing that again. That really hurt. Oh, wait, what? I forgot my friends. Oh, shoot. Hey, I gotta dig you guys up. Get over here, Toad. What? Okay, I want to kick another ball.
Hey, dude.
Hey, so you see that ball right there?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I want to get it. So, yeah.
You want to get it?
Yeah. So, let's go.
Yay! Ow! Hey, dude.
Hey.
Oh, that hurt.
Yeah, it wasn't my first time doing it though.
When was your first time?
Long story, Hobo Joe.
Oh, yeah, Hobo Joe. Yeah. Tata, we're finding ingredients for McDonald's. All it is just like dirt. Is this the second ball you get?
Yeah, this is the ball. So, go back up. Oh wait, what's that? That's Hobo Joe's glass that he broke. He was smashing some beer bottles.
Look, it's Hobo Joe's glass.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Here. Sorry, but I just feel like an undeveloped character. Can I hold the ball? Because you're like in almost every video. And I'm just him. I'm just that guy.
Fine, Toad. Okay, let's go now.
Ah! Okay, dude. I'm going.
I'm almost at the top. Oh wait, Toad? Oh my gosh. Okay, hey guys, it's Junior, and I just wanted to say this video was not uploaded in like July or August or whenever it's uploaded. Well, this was made in April, like April 10th. It was actually funny because I forgot to bury my friends before I started recording.
Hi, dude.
Yeah, I don't know.